I am obsessed. 2 days ago, within our challenge guidelines, I stayed within a budget of $200 to order gifts for all of my family members on Amazon. All right, guys, so we're doing something a bit different here today. The holidays are just around the corner, and I have not bought a single gift yet. Here's the deal. I have 4 people to shop for and $200 to spend. Let's see what I can find. I have to find the best gifts possible, so I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna shop on Amazon because I know that they have everything and it'll get here in time. I know for a fact that my dad needs a new pair of wireless earbuds for the gym because he loses them and goes through them like crazy. These are the JLab JBuds Mini. They're only $40, so they're under budget and I still have $160 to spend. Mom's next. Wait, this is cool. On Amazon, they actually have a built-in search tool that helps you find items by price. So kitchen gadgets, $25 to $50. I think that's our budget. Ooh, a personal blender. People love Dash because their kitchen appliances are fun and affordable. You can get the blender with a pancake griddle for $41.48. That is in budget. Wait, my mom loves pancakes too. Next up, we have my sister, and she just moved into a new apartment that I think could use a little teching up, if you know what I mean. Right now, the Echo Pop is on sale for $17.99. That's over half off the normal price. There's a $3 coupon. I almost missed that. One more person to go, my nephew, and so far my basket is showing that I've spent $139. My nephew loves Lego. That's something we bond over. There is the Lego Creator 3-in-1 Space Shuttle for $8.99. It's on sale. And it also means that we can get him something else. If you've been on TikTok, you've probably seen the astronaut projector, and a little birdie told me my nephew would really love that for the holidays. I'm gonna pick the one that has the most ratings and the best reviews, and it is $34.99, which apparently is a discount of 30%. I think that's gonna take us right up to the edge of the budget. This was stressful. I have 7 items in my cart for 4 people. The subtotal is $183.43. Let's proceed to checkout to see if with tax, we're in budget. $196.45. Yes, that's under $200. I'd call that a success. Now we have to wait for it to get here, so I'll check back in when it arrives. I am back with the haul. I'm gonna go ahead and open all of the presents to make sure that they panned out as planned. I see we have our astronaut projector and astronaut Lego. We have our mini griddle, the blender, smart light, Echo Pop, and the teeny tiny JBuds Mini. This gift was the easiest one to decide. They are the JLab JBuds Mini and they cost $39.99. These are the smallest wireless earbuds on the market. Each bud weighs just 3.14 grams. These are also one of the only wireless earbuds I've seen that have an integrated carrying loop and keychain, and knowing my dad always loses everything, for him to be able to keep these on his keys will be a game changer. There are no shortage of budget earbuds on the market, but if you're talking about which wins the price to performance competition, it has to be the JLabs. Not only is the passive noise cancellation very good, but it also has an app where you can customize the EQ. You almost never see earbuds in this price range with that type of feature. If I had a bigger budget for a sporty pair of earbuds, the next step I would probably go for are the Beats Studio Buds. I happen to think wireless earbuds are one of those foolproof gifts. Everyone always needs a fresh pair, so I'm pretty optimistic my dad's gonna be happy. For my mom, I bought her a bundle of Dash appliances from Amazon. So that's cool. It comes with a lid. That way when you're done with the blending portion of your smoothie, you can put this on and you have a to-go bottle. Smoothies are great and all, but pancakes are even better. Is this not like the cutest little pancake griddle you've ever seen? That's so cute. Let's try doing a little smoothie first. A strawberry smoothie always sounds nice. Got the milk down. So, like the NutriBullet, it's one of those blenders that you press down on to blend. Look at it go! I'm really happy with that. Look at that texture. It's perfect for a smoothie. It's a strawberry smoothie. That's great. Wow. Very impressed, but let's make pancakes. So when you plug it in, it starts to heat up automatically. There is no on-off switch. So that's something to keep in mind. I already feel it getting quite hot quite quickly. And we're gonna see if it pancakes. We got some good sizzling ASMR right now. It smells like pancakes. Whoa, that looks pretty good. This is so little and convenient. Obviously, if you had to make pancakes for everyone, this might take a little while, but just for like a personal size pancake treat, this is great. Next, let's see if these gifts for my sister will help her make a smart home. This is the Amazon Echo Pop, and it's basically the younger sibling to the Echo Dot. Now, I bought it for $17.99, but that is not the full price. It normally costs $39.99, but the great thing about Amazon devices during any type of big shopping event is that they're often heavily discounted, so it's a good time to buy them. What makes a smart speaker different than a normal Bluetooth speaker is that it's connected to your Wi-Fi, and thus you have a voice assistant. In this case, it would be Alexa. You can simply ask it to play the music or give you a weather report, or it can get to know you and learn your schedule, learn your shopping habits, and even make recommendations. I theoretically could have asked Alexa what gifts I should get for my family.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup.
When you get a new Echo speaker, it does a really good job at walking someone through the different ways you can use that speaker. So my sister should have a very basic understanding, at least just from the unboxing and setup process. How long did that take? Like 2 minutes? I will say some other Echo speakers have more advanced smart features, like the Echo Dot, for example, has a built-in temperature sensor that can trigger smart home routines, such as turning on your thermostat when it detects it gets too warm or cold in a certain room. You don't get all the bells and whistles with the Echo Pop, but if you're thinking about shopping on a budget, someone who just needs kind of an entry-level smart home device, this one's hard to beat. But the real way to make the most of a smart home is with additional smart home devices. And believe it or not, you don't need to spend a lot of money to make a great smart home. In fact, this brand Govee makes some excellent budget smart lights. This pack of 4 normally costs $39.99, but as with a lot of these popular brands on Amazon, you can usually find coupons to clip like we did, so we save some money. I think they make them weirdly small on purpose so that people might overlook them. Don't. Look at that. The beauty of a smart bulb attached to a normal lamp is that it'll work like a normal lamp. Of course, you'll want to leave it powered on to use the smart features and change the color. So Govee has an app. It automatically knows that this light bulb has been powered on. Add it. It's going to make the connection. Hopefully, it should only take a couple of seconds. I'm having so much fun. My first full-time position with Tom's Guide was as our smart home writer, so this is throwing it back. We're good. We're connected. How long did that take? Look, we have a smart home in, what, 5 minutes? What color should we try first? Let's do green. Hey. Another feature I think she might enjoy is after she's installed all 4 of these bulbs into different areas of a room or in her apartment, she can set a scene where all the colors kind of coordinate with each other. If you were to search up budget smart light bulbs on Amazon, you'll see plenty of affordable options. I happen to trust Govee as a brand. If you're talking about making this setup with Philips Hue, you're looking at 3 times the price. I adore this little smart home setup we put together for just under $50. I think if anyone were to look at this, they would think that it cost more, and I think my sister's gonna be really happy by having now a voice assistant, a speaker, and colorful light bulbs that she can control with her voice in her new place. Alexa, change color of Govee light bulb to green.
Okay.
Alexa, turn Govee light bulb off.
Okay.
I mean, it doesn't get better than that. And finally, we have the space-themed gifts for my nephew. The great thing about Lego sets is that there kind of is one for every hobby and interest. So if you're kind of stuck with not knowing what to get for someone, see if there's a set that aligns with one of their interests. I believe we paid $8.99 for this. And as much as I love my nephew, I might love Lego more. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually put this one together to see how it actually is. We have a space shuttle. While I do know I have to order him a replacement now, that isn't all that I got for him. This is one of those astronaut starry sky projectors that I've seen all over TikTok. His head comes off, which is so cool. Moment of truth. Can you see that on the camera? We turn the lights off in the studio to see how it looks up on the wall, and this is awesome. Imagine this being up on the ceiling of your bedroom as you're trying to fall asleep. All you need are some ambient sleep sounds to go with it. Oh, duh. My nephew can use this in a fort with like a fort blanket, have this up on the wall. That would be amazing. Astronaut projector, huge win. This is something that's also partially a toy and it's tech. Love when those two things come together. I think this is gonna be a stellar gift. Get it? Stellar? I was pretty confident in my gift giving abilities before this, but I am insanely proud by how much I was able to get for my $200 just shopping on Amazon. But what do you think? What would you have bought with this budget? Let me know in the comments, and if you're subscribed, I'll be sure to get back to you. Otherwise, you can see more of our favorite gadgets across all budgets on social at Tom's Guide. And as always, I'm at Kate Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. This whole premise is kind of up because I'm opening all my family members' presents.